Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab M9 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation will look pretty similar in all other browsers. So you can use this tutorial to clean your browser also. Here we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is too long to do that, simply tap on Clear Browsing Data at top. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything and simply tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.